Hello, my dear friends. So, if you're tired enough in Bangalore from your work life, your culture, your corporate life, and you want some kind of relax, this is an amazing location, which is situated at the Lal Park, known as a botanical garden. It is a very friendly with nature. Here you can experience a beautiful garden, a different kind of plants, different kind of flowers. You can take a boating experience, and also you can visit here to have some relaxed time, especially in the afternoon or evening also you can come, especially in Saturday and Sunday. I'm not sure that whether it is open on the weekend or not. Mostly it could be open only, but still this is an amazing park. And here I can see many monkeys are jumping on the trees, and it is not only friendly with the nature, not only friendly with the animals, even it is a couple friendly. So you can see here that a lot many couples used to come here, used to sit here, used to have some quality time they are spending with each other. And so this is the amazing place if you really wanted to experience some quality time with your friends, close friends, or even if you are a couple. So this is the really amazing place. No, I'm not here came along with anyone, because I'm the single, and just I'm exploring the place in Bangalore, that where we can go and you can feel the closeness with the nature. Because if you wanted to go from Bangalore, either you have to go to Nandi Hill, or if you have to go to the Mysore side to go for any good hill stations for couple of a minute. If you wanted to enjoy, wonderful place it is, must recommended for everyone. Just come and experience. I cannot explore everything because it's a very very big botanical garden, but yes, it is a good one. During the COVID, I think it was closed, and since so it was closed since so long, there is a renovation work is going very aggressively. So hopefully in couple of days this park will look more beautiful, and it's a really really very big and huge park and amazing park. It's just please come sometime and visit and experience the nature, the beauty of nature. There are several types of flowers are situated here. Right now we can experience, there is not allowed actually to go inside, because as I told you that renovation work is going very aggressively. But hopefully once it will allow, it will definitely look very very nice, right? And as you can see here, it's very very greenery, very greenery. So everywhere, if you get bored with your work life, just spend some good quality time here. It's a very greenery, and even you can see here some exercise of Air Force is also happening, I guess, the training, because the training camp is also very nearby. So maybe. As you can see, this is the children's park, and it's very beautiful. The children used to visit here. Some renovation work is going, and you can see these trees are very conical shapes, which is giving exceptionally beauty to this plant and park. And you can see here, as I told you, they are cutting the grass. Renovation work is happening very aggressively. So hopefully very soon this park will look much better. Still it is very beautiful, but in couple of days it will look much better. Here there is a flower gardens. The different kinds of flowers are placed together. It looks very amazing. Once you used to see this is very very greenery, and it is also a couple friendly park, so must recommended for the couples as well. I'm not telling the family cannot come. It is a wonderful place for the family as well, but couple also is most welcome here. See guys, different kinds of flower. Some couple of flowers I will be showing you, because I'm not feeling to go inside. We'll go some other days because I'm running out of time. But yes, some couple of see, isn't it a beautiful flower? Tell me, isn't it? It's amazing. I don't know which plant it is, but it having a dual kind of leaf. One is a white, another one is a green, but both are looking very amazing. If you come here, so now the color of the leaf is changing. Here is a green, and then it is a red. This is not a flower. This is a different kind of a leaf. You can see here. These are the leaves. If you are thinking it is a flower, no, it's not. Yes, and this one is a green plus red leaf. This is a leaf actually. You can see here. Still see the majesty of this garden. Amazing, eye pleasing. Yes, absolutely, it is eye pleasing. And that too in Bangalore, where we rush with the traffic. We just push our head always with the handle of the car, where we always run with the out of the traffic. See this beauty. See this amazing nature. Some symbolic representation of the love and the heart. Yes, which attract the couples. And if some lightning will happen here, so mostly it will be the good place for the photo shoot, especially for the couples. Symbolic representation for love, especially for couples. In the night, some lightning will happen, and then it will look amazing. Peacock, which is looking still nice. If you get tired, so some refreshment is also available here. Cucumber, mangoes, and some snacks kind of things is available here. You can experience some sort of a mountains inside of the park, which is a very pleasing, especially we should go and sit on the top. And here there is a Lord Buddha, and this man is no need of any introduction. Okay, let us go to the mountain, and then again I will just give a video. This is a gate of, from this gate also I feel someone can enter. Small but equally beautiful and attractive, and that's the reason many people who is coming for this park is coming here for photo shoot. And sitting on the peak of a mountain always gives amazing experience, no doubt about it. Yes, I'm a little bit tired by climbing on this mountain, and on the peak of the mountain there is a temple. I hope it's the Lord Shiva temple. Let's see. So I am absolutely got tired. So from here, from the top, this is the view, which is eye-catching, absolutely. See this, friend, and I hope from here you can see some sort of a traffic. So this is actually main gate. Okay, from here also you can enter into the park. There is so many gate actually from where you can enter, and then you can take a look. Amazing, most beautiful park I guess in the Bangalore. So come and experience. That's all for today. Thank you very much.